In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background picture in Excel. If you have a worksheet with a background image that you no longer want, Excel makes it very easy to remove. This is useful when a background picture is distracting, makes the sheet harder to read, or is simply no longer needed for your document. To get started, open your Excel workbook and go to the worksheet where the background picture appears. Make sure you are on the correct sheet before making any changes. Because worksheet backgrounds are applied individually, that means removing the background from one worksheet will only affect that specific sheet. Once your workbook is open, look at the top of the Excel window and click on the Page Layout tab. This tab contains several options related to the appearance and printing layout of your worksheet, so it's the right place to manage sheet backgrounds. After you open the Page Layout tab, find the Page Setup group in the ribbon. In that section, click Delete Background. As soon as you select it, Excel removes the background picture from the worksheet immediately. You should now see that the image has disappeared, leaving your worksheet with a plain background again. This can make your spreadsheet look cleaner and easier to work with, especially if you're focusing on data entry, formatting, or preparing the file for sharing. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that worksheet backgrounds in Excel are mainly for on-screen display. They usually do not print the same way as regular content in the sheet. So if you are using the image for visual reference only, removing it won't affect your cell data, formulas, charts, or other worksheet elements. It only removes the background image itself. Also, if you don't see the delete background option, double check that a background picture has actually been applied to that worksheet. Excel only shows that command is useful when a sheet background exists. And that's all there is to it. Open the workbook, go to Page Layout, click Delete Background, and the background picture is removed from your worksheet. It's a quick and simple way to clean up your Excel file and make your sheet easier to read.